Let's do a test run. Stand there with your hands behind your back.
Uh-huh.
And be like, yo, what's that noise?
Alright.
Go.
What's that noise?
Hey, boss.
Yeah.
Have you checked cell block C today?
Dude, you look so dumb.
No.
Like, hey,
Three.
where are you going, dude? Let's go.
Action.
Hey, boss.
Oh my god.
Why are you laughing?
Because you're like,
Oh.
okay. Alright, sorry.
Oh, hey, boss.
Go ahead.
Hey, boss. Have you checked out cell block C today? That's funny. Hey, boss. Have you checked cell block C today?
Well, like, see, because we have cell box C on the opposite side of the directional horizontal. And we're on cell box B, so I haven't checked cell box C. What is Sorry.
My character.
Action.
Why are you wearing a beanie?
Action.
And your shirt's not tucked in.
Action.
Alright. Stuck in the front.
Hey, boss. Have you checked the cell block C today?
I'm sorry. Keep going.
Dude, that's perfect.
I'm sorry. Keep going.
Huh. What's happening now? What's the...
Sorry. Do it one more time. I didn't know you were not doing that.
Hurry up, dude.
Sticking my nipples.
No, we're gonna say something like,
No, say, hey pig, mind your own business.
we all have the same voice.
Hey pig, mind your own business. We're just fucking your bitch back here, huh?
Yeah, just say big mind your business.
Fuck the sea.
Say the same thing that every time the camera goes on me, we'll add another freestyle too.
Talk again and be like, hey, I heard more noises. Check it out.
Yeah, we'd be walking and be like, we gotta talk first. Then we're gonna stand right there, keep talking, and then we're gonna.
Alright, after we have a little conversation.
Alright, Eric, move in a little bit more.
Boss, my ex-wife, she broke up with me.
God damn it, hit the
Eric,
stabilizer.
hit me.
We already told you, we're not doing anything.
Remember, it looked like
Oh
that was not
shit.
perfect.
Well, we already told you, officer, we're not doing anything. Oh shit, I got gum, man. Y'all
Put the GoPro down so I
My bad.
Hide it.
We already told you, we're not doing anything. That's all looking at the camera.
Again?
Yeah. I don't know why, because you're just moving and I'm like, fuck.
Just stay looking at the
Focus.
I'm Mr.
And
Me.
and action.